Guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be doing this really simple look, and I went back to basics. Here I'm just using my Temp 2 airbrush system. I haven't used it in a little while, and I wanted to pull it out, and I'm kind of in a rush, and I wanted to do the pods in and out super quick to save myself some time. But anyway, my foundation may look a little bit yellow here, and that's just the light that I have up there reflecting, but it is actually a match for my neck and chest. Oh, and by the way, guys, I do have a coupon code with Temp 2. It saves you 15% off of their site, and that coupon code is MAKEUPBYALAHA. So anything that you see me using in this video, please use my code. I make a small commission, you save money, and we're both happy. So without rambling on, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. The first thing I like to do is go in with my Temp 2 Core 7 serum. This is an amazing serum. I just rub it through my hands to warm it up a little, and I just apply this to my face. It is so hydrating that most of the time I don't even need another moisturizer to go in on top of the serum, which is normally my go-to, but I can skip it with the serum. Then I go in with my Temp 2 SB primer, and I apply a couple of drops of this all over my face, tiny little drops, and that's more than enough for your entire face. I just like to prime my face always. I feel like primer gives you the most poreless and perfect blank canvas to work with. It just fills in all those pores, grooves, fine lines, anything you may have on your skin. This is a great primer to use. Then I go in with my Doll 10 TCE concealer, and I just apply a small amount of this to highlight and conceal, because as you guys know, my eyes are super sensitive, so I cannot highlight and conceal with airbrush because my eyes start to tear up all crazy just from the air. I also like to conceal my entire nose because for some reason my nose just gets super oily, and it just doesn't, the makeup just doesn't stay on, I should say. Even if it's not oily, the makeup just tends to rub off my nose a lot easier, probably because I kiss my kids so much. So I like to go in with the concealer as extra insurance, and I just blend this out. This is an Eve Pearl 201 brush, I believe. It's either the 201 or 202. I'm pretty positive it's a 201, but I could be mistaken. Whichever one is smaller out of the 201 and 202, that's what this brush is. It's my ride or die favorite concealer brush. Then I go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I just use a little powder puff to apply this to those areas that I concealed and highlighted. You can bake if you want. I like to just remove the powder immediately, just using a fluffy brush to dust off all of this excess powder. Next, I like to go in with my Temp 2 Perfect Canvas Foundation. Here I'm using the shades 6.5 and 4. The 4 was a little too bright for me. The 6.5 is a little too dark, and you can mix these straight on your face by layering. So I'm applying one layer of the 4, and then I go in and apply a second layer of the 6.5, and this is how you mix these pod foundations. It's amazing, actually. Like, you can't do this with any other foundation, but you mix it directly on your face. And as you can see, the 6.5 is starting to warm up my face once I get that coverage going. And then this is the 4. I think I said it backwards. I did 6.5 first, and I did the 4 on top. The setting on my overhead light was actually really on like the yellow side, which is why this foundation looks a little yellow and there's a shadow casted on my neck. But believe me, it was a great match. Next, I go on with my Perfect Canvas, not foundation. This is the bronzer. It's the matte bronzer and contour shade. And I just use this to bronze and contour my face. I like to take it all the way into my cheeks and apply a little bit of that bronzer onto my cheeks as well. gel just to kind of tie everything in together. I do my temples, my forehead area, the edges of my hairline, and I also go in onto my neck and just to kind of blend that all out, and underneath my jaw. I'm not sure if I said that already, but yeah. Next, I'm going in with a highlight shade. This is actually a funny story. I mixed the SB colors, the Temp2 SB in the white shimmer and the gold shimmer into an empty pod. I poured them in there, and that's what I have in here. But if you can't do that or you don't have any empty pods, go ahead and just use the SB white shimmer and gold shimmer and mix it in together and spray that onto your face. I also apply this to my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. And guys, the highlight is just amazing. I love it. Next, I'm going in with my Perfect Canvas blush. This is in the shade Pale Pink. It is my all-time favorite blush by Temp2. I love it. I just apply this to the apples of my cheeks and I carry it in to marry the highlight and contour shade together and just blend them together perfectly. For my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo in the shade Ebony, and I just apply the lighter shade to the front of my brows and the darker shade to the ends of my brows. I love powder because it just looks so natural and fills them in very easily. To contour my nose, I go in with the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. I just apply this with a Morphe brush and contour my nose with it. I like to contour with powder instead of airbrush because once again, my eyes are super sensitive. As soon as I bring that airbrush close to my eyes start to tear up because of the air. So that is why I like to contour after I am done with my entire routine. I contour with a powder. Next, I'm going in with my Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter, and I'm just highlighting the bridge of my nose because, again, sensitive eyes. Can't highlight my nose that well just by the airbrush. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara at the moment. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. My God, you guys, if you have not tried this mascara, please, 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 I highly suggest that you go invest in it. I actually did a full video on my channel breaking down the cost and effectiveness of this mascara, and you guys, it's worth it. Check out my video if you want. I know it seems pricey, but watch my video to find out why I think it's worth it. Next, I'm going with my ColourPop Cosmetics lip liner. This is the I Love Sarai collaboration. I can't speak today. In the shade Curvy, and I'm just using this to line my lips. For lipstick, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped Liquid Lipstick. Those of you that have been longtime followers know this is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks ever. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I just want to say that I am living for this highlighted nose, cheekbone, and temple area. I'm like obsessed with it, and I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at MAKEUPBYALAHA. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.